Class 10, good morning. Student exercise 5.3 is continue. Now question number 3, third part. In this question, given that A12 is 37 and D equal to 3, find first term A and S12 means sum of the 12th term. Student, see, A12 equal to A plus 12 minus 1 into D. A12 is given 37, A we have to find, it is 11 into D equal to 3. Then 37 equal to A plus 33. Now A equal to 37 minus 33, which is 4. Student, to find Sn, S12, there is a direct formula, n by 2 into A plus L. L means the last term, or we can write A12. Now n equal to 12, 12 upon 2, A equal to 4 plus A12. L means A12. It is 37. It is 6. 2 6 are 12. 6 into 4 plus 37 is 41. 6 1 are 6. 6 4 are 24. So S12 is 246. Student, now question number 3, 6 part. Here A equal to 2, D equal to A, Sn equal to 90, find N and An. Student, there is a formula of Sn. Sn equal to n by 2 A plus n minus 1 2A plus n minus 1 into D. Sn is 90, n by 2, 2 into A is 2 plus n minus 1 and D equal to 8. So here 2 is common, so take 2 common and it is 2 plus n minus 1 into 4. 2 cancel. Now it is n into 4n minus 2. After simplifying bracket, it is 4n minus 4 plus 2. So it is 4n minus 2. Now it is 4n square minus 2n. Therefore, equation becomes 4n square minus 2n minus 90 equal to 0. Student, 2 is again common. So it is 2n square minus n minus 45 equal to 0. 2 cannot be 0. Now 2 into 45 is 90. We can write it is 10 9 is 90. So it is 2n square minus 10n plus 9n minus 45 equal to 0. 2n common. It is n minus 5 plus 9 common, n minus 5 equal to 0. Now n minus 5 into 2n plus 9 equal to 0. Since n cannot be negated, so n equal to 5. Value of n is 5 here. Now we find an. So now we will find an. So there is a formula of Sn. Here n equal to 5. So an equal to a plus 4d. A is 2 plus 4 into a. It is 2 plus 32 or it is 34. So another term it becomes 32. Student, 32 plus 2 is 34. Student, now 7th part. It is here a equal to an. It is another term which is 62. Now Sn, it is 210. Find n and d. We have to find the another term and the common difference. There is a formula for an. Sn equal to n by 2 a plus l, and l means an. It is 210 n by 2 a equal to a plus 62. Then n by 2 into it is 70. 210. 0 0 cancel. 7 3 is 21. So n equal to 6. Now an equal to a plus n minus 1 into d. An is 62. A equal to a plus n is 6 minus 1 into d. It is 12. 54 equal to 5 into d. So d equal to 54 upon 5. Student, now question number 9. Ninth part of third question. In this question, given that a equal to 3. And n equal to d. N equal to 8. Sn is 192. Find d. Student, in the formula of Sn equal to n by 2 into 2a plus n minus 1 into d. We have to find d. Sn is 192. Then it is n by 2. N is given 8. So 8 upon 2. 2 into 3 plus 8 minus 1 into d. 2 4 is 8. 4 4 is 16. 4 8 is 32. 48 equal to 6 plus 7d. Then 42 equal to 7D. 7 6 ya 42. Therefore D equal to 6. Student, if we use this formula Sn equal to n by 2 A plus L, then D is not here. So first of all we will find L. When L is there, last term is given, then by using the formula L equal to An, A plus n minus 1 into D, then we find the value of D. So if we use this formula, then it is a tedious method because here D is not given. So first of all we will find A and term, then we find the common difference.